Hello guys and welcome. This is our first blitz for today. This is Daniel Magen and our first opponent is King Solomon. Strong player from Russia. Okay, let's see how it will go. Pretty solid opening. Too much positional for me actually. I like to have some aggressive opponents straight from the start. Not sure what am I missing here, but I think he just blundered the pawn. Yes, he did. Okay. Now this pawn is usually enough to win the game in these levels. Let's see if we will manage to do so. We'll create some weakness on the d6 spot. Prevent any threats with b5. And next move probably will be bishop f4 or bishop g5. Yeah, I think I will go for bishop g5 here. So he will need to choose if he will open his king. Oh, he's played very interesting. Because if I takes here, it will take with the bishop, exchange everything, and then takes on c3, gain the pawn back, and bishop takes e4. So I don't want to go for this one, but maybe I will take e5, takes, queen has to go to e8. Yeah, let's see how he will react to this one. I need to watch out from this diagonal as well, but for now I think it is okay. Okay, do I want to make these kind of exchanges? Do I? Now we'll go for this kind of end game. I have the extra pawn. Both of us with bishop pair. I will consider on rook d8, maybe rook takes on e7, because then I will be with the bishop pair as well. I will left with the bishop pair and also a lot of pressure on the f7 with the bishop diagonal here. Yeah, probably will do so. Now I need to consider if I takes with the knight just to keep this threat, or would I take? Okay, I will take with the knight just to win some tempo here. Yeah, bishop c5 makes sense. Go back. Rook d8 again makes sense. Okay, let's try to exchange these bishops because I really want to go to the 7th line, and let's see how it will work. Quite interesting. Played very well. Now I have to push him to do something with the bishop, and I hope, yeah, I hoped actually will go to a5. I really want to do something on this. Maybe I should, yeah, just to put some x-ray on this one and go straight. Yep, definitely. This one was very good one. And let's try to push the knight, maybe to force him to exchange one of the bishops, because even though we have the material advantage, we do know the bishop pair, especially on the endgame, is very dangerous and very powerful. So we did it, and we have opposite bishop colors. And I'm not sure it's enough to win, but we will give it a shot. Not sure it's enough to win this one, but we have to give it a shot. Check here, check here. Let's go here. Where would you go? Where would you go? Let's try to exchange everything. Okay. Now we have very powerful advantage, and we have to play for this one. Yeah, I will win this one for sure. And let's do the stairway mate. That's it. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed. It was quite hard on the end because we had some time pressure on us, but it's easy to make these pre-moves until you just perform the mate. So see you next time.